Hey, Brad.
Hey, what? Oh, Chance. Well, of course it's Chance Beal. I called him and said, hey, come on over to the Blue Moon because I got to fly out tomorrow. This is the Denver area, so this is where we meet, and we do film some of our videos here. So you know what? I got some new product, and so come on over here, and you know what you do with the Sharpens Spark Mini? You actually hang it in your pants pocket. Okay, let your keys hang out there. Whew, what a lot of keys. Okay, anyways, we got a new product in here, and it's actually an old product made new. This is the Sharpens Spark Mini, the 4-in-1, the compact. Okay, let's turn it a little bit like that. And now let's take a look at the new product. We've been having people say, why don't you make a larger, just make them the same. Okay, put the bottle opener on the larger one also. This is the original Sharpens Spark, and now plastic. Man, oh man, oh man. There it goes. I almost need my pocket knife to get those little buggers open. All right, so we're gonna dump this out. So what do you think now? We have the compact and the larger one. Oop, I got my fingers in the way. If I can hold those keys up there like that. Okay, just like this. And so now we have the larger, we call that the big brother, and this is the compact, the little brother. Now they both have the bottle opener on the handle, okay, down here on that end right there. So, you know what, now you don't really have to make a decision whether you want the bottle opener on the small one or the, well, you couldn't get it on the big one before, but now you can. So for all of you folks out there who do order the Sharpens Spark, it's going to come now with the bottle opener. It also still has the fire starter, the ferro rod in the handle, okay, and it has both styles, the V-notch and the open face straight line carbide. So we screw this, I like to do it this way, we screw that back in there like that, give it a tweak like that. So in the future, when you order the original Sharpens Spark, you're going to get the Sharpens Spark with the bottle opener. When you order the compact, okay, the 4-in-1 compact, I think we'll start calling this the compact. And this one here, you know, the larger one. We're going to come up with a good name for it. So we have the Sharpens Spark Mini, Sharpens Spark 4-in-1 compact. That would be this one. It's been called a few things over the years. So this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. And down here in Denver at the Blue Moon, this is a good place to meet along the way. This is Brad Buckner. Go to sharpensbest.com. You take care and you stay safe out there. It's holiday season.